In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant on Gusto. Taking control of your business's payroll and HR is crucial, and sometimes you need a bit of help from a professional like an accountant. Gusto makes it easy to bring your accountant into the loop, ensuring that your payroll and tax handling are as smooth and accurate as possible. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, navigate to the Gusto homepage. It's the starting point where you'll find everything you need to manage your payroll and HR solutions efficiently. From there, you'll see a sign in option, which you'll want to click on to proceed. Now, when it comes to signing in, Gusto offers several methods, but let's focus on one of the most convenient ones, signing in with Google. This option can simplify your login process, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. After selecting Sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the account you want to use. This should be straightforward if you only have one account. However, if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Gusto account. Once you're successfully logged in, your next stop is the dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of options, but for our purpose, look for the settings option, which is your gateway to customizing your Gusto experience. Within settings, you'll find the permissions section. This area lets you manage who has access to your Gusto account and what level of access they're granted. It's a crucial step to ensure that only authorized individuals can make changes or view sensitive information. Under permissions, locate the option for Gusto admins. This will take you to a page where you can see current admins or add new ones. Since we're focusing on adding an accountant, look for and select the option that says Add New Admin. Now you'll be faced with two options, adding an employee or someone external. Since accountants usually fall into the latter category, go ahead and select Not an Employee, then choose Accountant. Upon selecting Accountant, another choice appears, External Accountant. This specifies that the individual you're adding is providing accounting services from outside your organization. Selecting this ensures Gusto categorizes them accordingly. Next, you're given an important decision on how much access to grant. Gusto offers various roles with different levels of access, from viewing payroll reports to managing all financial aspects. Consider what tasks your accountant needs to perform and select the option that aligns with those responsibilities. After making your choice, you'll be prompted to fill out information about your accountant. This includes their name, email, and other pertinent details. Fill this out carefully to ensure Gusto can contact them and provide access without any hitches. Choosing roles for your external accountant comes next. Here you're specifying what aspects of your Gusto account they can interact with. Pay careful attention to each role's description to make sure it aligns with the responsibilities and tasks you expect your accountant to handle. Finally, once you've completed all sections and reviewed the information for accuracy, click on Add Admin. This finalizes the addition of your accountant to your Gusto account, granting them access based on the roles and permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully added an accountant to your Gusto account. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards streamlining your payroll and ensuring your business's financial health is in capable hands. Remember to communicate with your accountant throughout this process. Ensuring they understand the scope of their access and responsibilities will help make their integration into your Gusto account as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on making the most out of Gusto for your business.